we get asked as a criminal defense attorney is am I under arrest? I mean, let's face it, you're pulled over for a traffic infraction. Am I under arrest? Hi, my name is Mark Rollins. I'm a criminal defense attorney here in Washington, D.C. I also practice in the state of Maryland. Come join me while we talk about some great information about whether you're under arrest. So you're driving down the road, flashing lights appear behind you. The police have initiated their siren and lights. You pull your car over. You've been stopped by the police. That is what we call a stop. It can be difficult to distinguish between an arrest and a stop. Now, an arrest requires the police to have probable cause. Probable cause is defined by a likely chance that the person has committed criminal conduct. The standard for establishing whether criminal conduct has occurred is very low. A stop by the police only requires reasonable suspicion. It is without question that both are seizures by the police. An arrest is clearly more intrusive than a stop. When a police officer makes a stop, it is only a temporary intrusion into one's liberty to leave. It is usually short in duration. For an example, most automobile offenses are just stops. The officer writes the ticket for the traffic offense that he sees occurs. The officer may ask some preliminary questions, such as a request for identification or a request for vehicle registration. That is just a stop. However, unless there is some other criminal activity that unless there's some other criminal activity, he should only issue the ticket and let you leave. Remember, some traffic offenses such as reckless driving that occur in front of the officer may be subject to an arrest. The officer may arrest you immediately for those types of offenses. Now, an arrest, on the other hand, by the police has already been established, and we sort of said that you have to have probable cause. Some of the factors to consider whether you're under arrest and not merely stopped is whether you are forced to a different location for the investigation purposes. So that's first. Second, whether the detention has been for a long period of time. Two, whether the use of handguns or handcuffs during the detention period. And lastly, whether you've been placed into a police car. Clearly, if you're placed into a police car, you're under arrest. If you're pulled over for a traffic offense and the officer smells marijuana, the officer may arrest you because the smell of marijuana is emanating from your vehicle. Now, marijuana is illegal in most states, and therefore the officer would have probable cause to arrest you. So remember, the next time you're pulled over, answer the officer's basic questions that he may ask during the stop. But you're not under arrest unless the officer establishes probable cause during that traffic stop that you've committed some criminal offense in his presence. Hope that helps. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for our channel for more exciting videos.